Okay, grade 8, good morning. After learning about multiplication and division of rational expressions, we are going also to learn about addition and subtraction of rational expressions. So if you have learned how to add fractions, adding similar fractions, when we say similar fractions, you have the same denominator, and adding the similar fractions when they have different denominators. So whatever the rule in addition of fractions, that will be employed or used in this lesson in addition and subtraction of rational expressions. The only different thing is letters or literal coefficients are incorporated, or we call it the algebraic rational expression. So shall we start with the following examples? So shall we do number 1 here? So number 1 is 2 over a plus 5 over a. So this is addition. And you observe the denominator, are they the same? Yes, they are the same. So immediately you can add this. So you just add the numerators. So 2 plus 5 is 7. Take note, do not add the denominators. Just carry the same denominator. So that's the answer. Okay? So it's very simple when you have similar denominators, or we call it the similar fractions in fractions. Now, shall we do number 2? Now 7 over x plus 3 over y. So this time, see the denominators, they are different, x and y. So in this case, you have to have the LCD, the least common denominator. You can also use cross multiplication in case you have only 2 fractions or rational expressions, but shall we use using the LCD here? So the LCD is the product of x and y, so xy. That will be your LCD. Then what's next? What are we going to do? So what you are going to do is the denominator xy, and then you divide that by x. So what remain is y. So y, and you multiply that to the numerator 7. So it will be 7y. Okay? And then plus, because it is addition, you go back again. The denominator xy divided by y this time. So you cancel out y. So x plus 3x. So I will just demonstrate. So denominator xy divided by y. So you cancel y, and x, you multiply that to 3. So that will be 3x. So this is now your answer. 7y plus 3x over xy, or if you can interchange 3x plus 7y over xy. So that's the answer. Okay, let's go to another example. So this time, let's subtraction. 3 over x minus 2 over x squared. So denominators, they are dissimilar. So get the LCD. So the LCD here is x squared. x squared. Do not say x cubed. That's not the LCD. X squared. Okay? So, like before, yung x squared divided by x. So, you have x times 3. So, that will be 3x. 3x minus, okay, x squared divided by x squared will be 1 times 2, so it's 2. So that's the answer. So you will notice that this is easy. Okay, so that's it. Now we will go to the next, number 4 na tayo. This is also subtraction. X over x plus 5 minus x over x minus 5. So first thing first, get the LCD. The LCD is, you just multiply the denominators here, but it's better to put them in factored form. So x plus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, like before. So it's like this. So the LCD x here divided by the denominator x plus 5. So what remain is x minus 5. You multiply that to x. Okay, for the sake of learning, shall we just write muna x times x minus 5. Okay, minus. So the LCD divided by x minus 5. Okay, so the quotient is x plus 5 times 5. So it will be 5 times x plus 5. Okay, you just simplify. So it will be equals here. So you multiply x times x is x squared. Oops, ang hirap nito. X squared and then minus 5x all over, just write the denominators, x plus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, and then the other one is minus 5x and then minus 25. I see 5 times 5. So you further simplify. So equals x squared minus 5, and minus 5 will be minus 10 x minus 25 all over x plus 5 times x minus 5. Okay, so that will be your answer.